everybody, it's Marjan from Firefly Craft. We have another fun project for you today. We're going to be putting a decal on a plush robe. Because the plush robe has so much texture, we want to use a thicker vinyl, like a glitter or a flock. Same as you would do if you were using it for a towel. We chose a glitter gold today that says straight out of bed. Use our regular pressing settings, which you can find on our boxes. It's about 300 degrees for 15 seconds. Just love how that glitter gold plays against the black. It's so pretty. Have a nice day.